Alright, this is good. Alright, so I've gotten where I stand now is I'm about to put the back plate on. I've secured the sides, so now there's no flex, but the thing I noticed is these bottom tabs are very shallow, so I'm pretty sure, and it's probably in the instructions, I'm pretty sure the idea is you put the thick tabs into the thicker slots, and then you can just flex the case a bit, and everything goes together, and we have our arcade game fully assembled. I've got a little dirt okay underneath the plexi. That's alright, we can clean it up later. But here's our buttons, there's our buttons on the side, buttons on the end. Whew, fully assembled. Excuse me. Only thing left to do now is to install the software on a SD card. Insert it into that slot, and we should be good to go. Let's see. Oh, alright, so let me see what else we're going to do. Alright. Oh, okay. Ah, shucks. Well, it looks like I'm not going to be able to finish this while I'm on the road. I'll check to see if I have this, but I'm pretty sure I don't. I'm going to need a external keyboard to finish setting this up. So anyway, this is the okay. So I want to try. This concludes my first look at the Picade console. Again, I got this through Adafruit. What I have remaining to do on this is to hook a keyboard to it, and program the SD card, and install it, and do the initial power up, and finish the configuration.